Struggling with complex navigation in SwiftUI? Discover how the coordinator pattern combined with MVVM and SwiftData can make your apps scalable and easy to manage. This is the app that we will create. The user is able to add a new contact to the SwiftData database by clicking on the Add button. The contact I will now add is Smith, that has an email address of smith@aol.com. Click on the Save Contact button and then click on View All Contacts, and you can see that Smith has been added to the database. We can also like a contact. So if I wanted to like Smith or add Smith as a favorite, just click on Smith, click on Edit Contact, and then click on the switch, click on Save Changes, go back. As you can see, Smith now has a star that relates to a like. We can also delete a contact from the database. So if I wanted to delete Smith, all I have to do is swipe, and now Smith has been removed from SwiftData database. I can search or filter the database. As you can see, I typed in F and it locates all the names or contacts that includes the letter F. Or if I type in E, it locates all the names that includes the letter E, such as Fred and John Doe. On the main screen, it also shows the amount of contacts in SwiftData. As you can see, at the moment, there's 3 contacts in the database, and it shows the amount of contacts. That includes a like. At the moment, it is 2. As you can see, there's 2 stars there. The first thing we need to do is to create a new class called Contact. Contacts. Add the following imports. Import SwiftUI, import SwiftData, app model, class, contact, identifiable, the purpose of using app model is to enable our class to be an entity. So within our entity, we need to add our attributes. Attributes unique var ID is equal to UID. And the purpose of that, it creates a unique identifier for each contact, which is automatically assigned using a UUID. So within our entity or data table or database table, we need to add other properties such as string property, that is a name attribute. string name. We also need a phone number or phone attribute, which is a string data type. Also an email attribute, which is a string data type. And its favorite, which is automatically assigned to false. And with that variable, it's a Boolean property indicating whether the contact is marked as favorite or not. We also need to create our initializer. So our initializer will include name, phone number, email, and its favorite. Its favorite needs to be assigned as false, given a Boolean. We can delete line 27. I'll just compile it. In the next tutorial, we'll create the stats card view. The purpose of the stats card view is to show the total number of contacts in SwiftData database, and also to show the amount of contacts that includes a like. So that's the view we'll be creating in the next tutorial. And please comment, like and subscribe. Thank you for joining us. If you found this tutorial helpful, please comment, like and subscribe. See you next week.